Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna learn how to make Burong Isda, or what we call fermented fish and rice. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, red onions, ginger, sea salt, angkak, which is basically angkak is only food coloring. If you don't have angkak, you can use Atsuete, so it's not a big deal, or any food coloring that's red. And we have fillet catfish fillet, and we have cooked rice. We're gonna mix them all together, and we'll show you how we're gonna do this. First, we're gonna put the garlic, and the onions. I always use red onions because this is healthier. And we're gonna put 2 spoonfuls of, or 3 spoonfuls of sea salt, and I put the ginger, and then I'm gonna put the angkak now, which is the food coloring. Then we're gonna mix this together, and we'll be back with you in 2 minutes. I'm mixing the all the ingredients, and make sure that everything is mixed right. And then we're gonna put this in a container with a fish, and then the fish will roll the fish into some sea salt too. I'll be back with you in 1 minute. Now we'll put 1 layer of rice inside this container, probably 1 inch thick, and then we're gonna put the fish, a layer of fish, which is, we're gonna put salt like that, a layer there, another layer. Fish, there you go. Then after the fish, we have to put another layer of rice, another layer of rice, and then we'll put a layer of fish. We're gonna do this until we finish everything, until the jar is full. So I'll continue this, and then I'll get back to you in 1 minute. This is the finished product, and we're gonna let this ferment for 12 days. And after 12 days, it's already fully fermented, and you have your Burong Isda, or fermented fish and rice.